Ever wondered how Siri or Alexa works? How about creating your own virtual assistant? Sounds exciting, right? Virtual assistants have become integral parts of our daily lives, helping us schedule appointments, play music, or even tell a joke when we're feeling down. But what if you could tailor one to your specific needs? What if you could create a virtual assistant that truly understands you? Intriguing, isn't it? Stick around to learn how to build your very own virtual assistant using machine learning. Before diving into the process, it's crucial to grasp some basic concepts. Let's start with machine learning. This is a type of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child to learn from their surroundings. Now, how does this relate to AI? Well, artificial intelligence is the overarching concept that encompasses machine learning. It's the idea of machines being able to carry out tasks in a way that we would consider smart. So where do virtual assistants fit in? Virtual assistants are AI-powered programs that use machine learning to understand and respond to our commands. Think of them as your personal digital secretaries, always ready to help with tasks like setting reminders, answering questions, or controlling your smart home devices. With these basics in hand, you're now ready to embark on the journey of creating your own virtual assistant. Now that you're familiar with the basics, it's time to uncover the process. So let's dive into the first two steps of creating your very own virtual assistant. Our first port of call is to collect the data. Your virtual assistant will only be as smart as the data you feed it. So think of this as feeding your assistant with knowledge. You can start by gathering data from different sources like online forums, social media, or even your own interactions. After collecting the data, we move on to the preparation stage. This involves cleaning and organizing the data into a format that our machine learning model can understand. It's like teaching a child to read. You wouldn't hand them a book upside down, would you? Similarly, we need to present the data in a way that our model can easily interpret. After collecting and preparing the data, you're halfway through the process. Ready for the next steps? They involve training your model and testing it. As we delve into the nitty-gritty of creating your own virtual assistant, it's time to train your machine learning model. This is where the magic happens. This step involves feeding your model with the prepared data, which includes both the input and the expected output. The model learns from this data, creating a map of sorts that it can use to generate responses to future inputs. Remember, the quality of your training data is key. The more diverse and comprehensive it is, the more accurate and reliable your virtual assistant will be. So, don't rush this step. Take your time to curate and prepare your data. Once the model is trained, it's time to test its effectiveness. This means running a series of tests to see how it performs under different situations. This step is crucial to ensure that your virtual assistant is ready to go live. Congratulations, you've just learned how to create your own virtual assistant. Creating a virtual assistant might seem complex, but with a solid understanding and the right steps, it becomes an achievable task. Remember, we started with understanding the basics, then moved on to the nitty-gritty of machine learning. Every step, from defining the task to training the model, plays a vital role in this creation process. Each contributes to the functionality and effectiveness of your virtual assistant. So, are you ready to create your own virtual assistant and revolutionize your daily tasks? The power of machine learning is in your hands.